So recently, selected candidates from TCS off campus have received a mail for the background verification. So their candidates are asking that how can I complete this? Do I need to install any software or not? So I will show you the mail what they have written. So this is from TCS that your background verification request has been assigned to Integrative Verification Services Private Limited. You might receive a mail communication from the BGC vendor for address verification containing links to upload the required documents. They may ask you to turn on your location settings and click on the specified link to proceed. It may also require camera access to complete the address verification. Request you to kind of cooperation with the authorized BGC vendor if required. So, what is the meaning of this mail? I will tell you that TCS, being a very large company, they are hiring many candidates. So, they are not able to do the background verification process for each of the candidates. So, they have assigned a third party company, that is Integrated Verification Services Private Limited, to do their background verification. That's all. No need to worry that you will be rejected because of this, or your background verification is assigned to another company. So the candidates are having this worry in their mind. So these things you have to keep in mind, that if the company asks you to turn on your location settings and do whatever they ask you to do, because this is an authorized company from TCS, so you have to share your all the results, mark sheets, your other personal ID card, etc., to this company. So do I need to install any software? It is not required. They will be communicating with you via mail. So you will be receiving another mail from the this third party company, that is Integrated Verification Services Private Limited, and there you have to upload all the documents. So you need no need to install any other software for this. So this was the update from TCS background verification mail that you have received. If you want to apply for more companies like this TCS, Tata Elxsi, Mount Blue, Infosys, so I have made videos on them. You can access this via playlist, that is 2021 off campus jobs playlist in my channel. There is another playlist of Cognizant Gen Z. Those who have going through the process of Cognizant Gen Z, they can also access this playlist in my channel. If this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more future updates.